MageAnts Magento 2 improved sorting extension. Ease the struggle of your customers and clients in finding a particular product in your store with the smart sorting options of Magento 2 improved sorting extension. Provide them with an enriched shopping experience by simplifying their catalog browsing by providing them search parameters like sort by best sellers, most viewed, top rated, new, and in wishlist etc. Key features of MageAnts Magento 2 improved sorting extension. Set default sorting on the search page. Set descending sort attributes. Configure sorting order. Label the sorted categories. Set top rated order label. Specify sorting options for each category. Allows customers to sort products by best sellers, top rated, most viewed, etc. Sort out of stock products and items without an image in the last. See MageAnts Magento 2 improved sorting extension demo on https://www.magents.com/improved-sorting-for-magento-2.html. MageAnts Magento 2 improved sorting extension. Ease the struggle of your customers and clients in finding a particular